Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pt1, so just in case you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and join the family. Turn on the post notification bell to get updated whenever a new video drops. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us again, for coming back to watch my video. I love you so much. Yeah, Merry Christmas. So it's Christmas in the air. It's Christmas in the air. So few days to Christmas. I'm really so excited. So I'm really so excited. So that's the reason I decided to make this video. Trying to get not this way. I'm trying to get what is that again? Starter for yogurt. So I'm checking this section of the supermarket if I'm able to get the one I'm looking for. The last time I came, I was able to find it too, but this time it's like it's not here. So maybe I'll try something else too. The one I'm looking for is not here. So I've searched where I can find it, where I could possibly find it, but I can't seem to find it here. I really don't know why. The last time I came, I saw it. Wow. So that means all my time coming here will be wasted. Let me check the other side though. Let me check. This one is cafe, and oh my gosh, these ones are sweetened yogurt. I just want unsweetened yogurt. I can actually use any unsweetened yogurt. Wow. And I want to make that yogurt this week before Christmas. Let me check this out. This one, I really don't know if it's a sweetened or unsweetened yogurt. It's a sweetened yogurt. This one is vanilla sweetened. Oh my gosh, it's very hard to find unsweetened yogurt. So honestly, this thing has been a major barrier for me preparing yogurt. Like ever since I learned how to make yogurt, I've just been having issues getting a starter. I can't get it. So that's it. I think I'll film this video later on. So I finally found unsweetened yogurt too. Like honestly, yeah, I'm so excited. So what? Yeah, give me one conscious. Alright, so I have to go and pay first, right? I'll make my payment so I can go and collect it. Oh my gosh. They're actually here.